Module Overview. Destination management and development is a cornerstone of tourism studies and practice. It involves the strategic planning, coordination, and governance of tourism destinations to ensure long-term competitiveness, sustainability, and community benefit. A destination is more than just a location. It's a comprehensive ecosystem of attractions, services, infrastructure, heritage, experiences, stakeholders, and policies that must be orchestrated to deliver value to visitors, economic returns to businesses, and benefits to host communities. This module delves into the multidimensional processes of developing and managing destinations, covering destination branding and positioning, stakeholder collaboration, product development, sustainable development principles, carrying capacity and destination, lifecycle infrastructure planning, crisis and disaster management, visitor experience management, technological integration, tourism policy integration at the destination level. It uses both academic frameworks and real-world case studies to equip you with advanced knowledge in transforming and managing destinations in a competitive global tourism market. 9.1. Defining a tourism destination. A tourism destination is a geographical space, physical or virtual, offering a combination of tourism products, services, experiences, and infrastructure, which together provide a holistic visitor experience. Destinations can range in scale from a local village to a multinational region. Core components: attractions, natural, cultural, artificial; amenities, accommodation, restaurants, banking; access, transportation, roads, borders; ancillary services, guides, tour operators, info centers; activities, events, excursions, entertainment. 9.2. The Destination Management Framework. Destination management involves organizing and coordinating activities, stakeholders, and resources to ensure the effective operation of a tourism destination. Pillars of destination management: governance structures, DMOs, destination management organizations; stakeholder engagement and collaboration; strategic planning and resource allocation; product and experience development; marketing and branding strategies; monitoring and performance evaluation. 9.3. Destination development process. Destination development is the intentional creation or enhancement of tourism offerings and supporting infrastructure. Stages: assessment of tourism potential, stakeholder consultation and consensus building, visioning and master planning, infrastructure development, tourism product packaging, capacity building and training, policy formulation, promotion and market positioning, monitoring, adaptation, and renewal. This process is both long-term and iterative, requiring alignment with environmental, cultural, economic, and political priorities. 9.4. Sustainable destination development. Sustainability is essential to avoid over-tourism, environmental degradation, and community displacement. Principles of sustainable development: environmental stewardship, cultural preservation, equity and inclusion, economic viability, community involvement, responsible marketing, conservation of biodiversity. Frameworks like UNWTO's Sustainable Tourism Indicators, Global Sustainable Tourism Council, GSTC, standards, and UNESCO Heritage Guidelines are referenced. 9.5. The Tourism Area Lifecycle, TALC. Developed by Butler, 1980. The TALC outlines the evolution of a destination in 6 stages: exploration, minimal tourists, unstructured visits, involvement. Local entrepreneurship begins development, infrastructure investment, mass tourism, consolidation. Tourism dominates the economy. Stagnation, capacity reached, quality declines. Decline or rejuvenation, managed decline or strategic reinvention. Strategic interventions are necessary during the stagnation stage to avoid destination fatigue. 9.6. Destination infrastructure and capacity infrastructure includes transportation networks, public utilities, internet access, waste management systems, and health services, all crucial for delivering quality visitor experiences. Key concepts: carrying capacity, the number of visitors a destination can support without degrading resources; load balancing, spreading tourists across time and space; cluster development, grouping attractions to form integrated zones. 9.7 Role of Destination Management Organizations, DMOs. DMOs are entities, governmental or private, that take strategic leadership in managing destinations. Functions of DMOs: market research and intelligence, destination branding and marketing, stakeholder coordination, visitor services and information centers, crisis management, investment promotion, product innovation, and quality control. Examples include Visit Britain, Kenya Tourism Board, South Africa Tourism, and Destination Canada. 9.8. Destination branding and positioning. Branding defines how a destination is perceived by the outside world. It is about emotions, imagery, identity, and expectations. Steps in branding: market segmentation, value, proposition development, visual and verbal identity creation, storytelling and destination narratives, social media and digital activation, brand consistency across platforms. Strong brands evoke images of luxury, Dubai; adventure, New Zealand; heritage, Italy; or relaxation, Maldives. 9.9. Crisis, risk, and disaster management. Destinations must be resilient to natural disasters, earthquakes, floods, hurricanes, health crises, COVID-19, Ebola, terrorism, and political instability. Economic shocks. Strategies include emergency response planning, insurance schemes, stakeholder coordination, communication protocols, post-crisis recovery marketing. 9.10. Digital transformation in destination management. Smart destinations use technology to enhance visitor flow management via sensors, online booking platforms, augmented reality tours, AI-driven chatbots for tourists, digital marketing with real-time analytics, e-ticketing and mobile tourism apps, GIS, and big data for planning. Digital maturity increases efficiency, personalization, and decision-making quality. Learning outcomes for Module 9. By the end of this module, you will understand the structural and functional dynamics of tourism destinations, evaluate the life cycle and strategic development of destinations, identify sustainable practices in destination development and management, analyze the role of DMOs and stakeholder collaboration, apply branding, marketing, and crisis recovery strategies to real-world destinations, utilize digital tools and metrics for destination monitoring and management.